we won't let it just lie idle there. We will be reinvesting in another deal. I won't go into the details of that, and so that adds to your returns. So because of that, overall returns in this particular case comes to about 23%, even though it's a low risk deal. Yeah. That's about us, Rehbar. If you have any questions, I mean, do we have time for questions?
We have very little time. If it is an important question, we'll take it. Otherwise, we can take it offline. Any questions at all? What is your question pertaining to, sir? What are the overheads of Rehbar?
Okay. Okay, I haven't spoken about that. Yeah. Okay, there are two kinds of fees which are charged to the investors. एक जो भी deal करते हैं आप initially जो deal amount है उसके ऊपर deal initiation fees आपसे ली जाती है. That is 1.5%. For example, if you're investing a lakh, we charge you 1,500 rupees at the start of the deal. उसके अलावा हर महीना monitoring fees ली जाती है. आपका जितना भी मुनाफा बनता है वो मुनाफे में से 5%. जैसा आप अगर 1,000 रुपए आपका अगर होता है तो उसमें से 50 रुपए जो है Rehbar मॉनिटरिंग फीस के तौर पे लेता है. दैट इज विद रेस्पेक्ट टू द इन्वेस्टर्स. विद रेस्पेक्ट टू द प्रोमोटर्स, जो बिजनेस का लिए डील आते हैं, सिर्फ इनिशियल अपफ्रंट फी उनसे 2% लेते हैं. 1 लाख की अगर डील करते हैं तो उनसे 2,000 रुपए लेते हैं. दैट्स द फीस. Most of the deals as of now, because our bandwidth issues are limited to Bangalore, but we have done a few deals outside Bangalore as well. Just for example, there was a Go Sports deal which we did, I think we spoke about, that was in Mumbai. So we have tried to go beyond Bangalore, but most of the deals of course are in Bangalore. Investors of course they can come from anywhere. They have investors from Gulf, the investors from America, so there's no concern with that.
Okay, one last question. We have absolutely no time. Quick question.
Yeah, the profit is calculated. For example, typically every month you will get the lease from ID Foods. From that we'll reduce the depreciation, and that's how we'll calculate the net profit. And this reduction of depreciation is basically the reserve which we'll be keeping every month, which will be reinvested in another deal. Yeah, oh yes, overall your profit, inshallah, from this expected, of course, the actuals might vary, will be inshallah 23%.
Okay, sorry, I'm going to have to cut this off. We need to vacate the hall as well, and everybody's getting late for namaz. Couple of important announcements before the vote of thanks. One, everybody seated over here needs to have registered. If you haven't, please leave your contact number and your email ID and your telephone number on the way out. There are sheets and there are people who with Rehbar who will help you do that. Please make sure you do that. That's the only way we can stay in touch. And please collect a brochure on the way out if you want to know more about Rehbar. Contact details, etc., office address, everything is on that. Okay. Jazakallah. This has been hopefully time well spent. We've learned things that we did not know, and inshallah, we will use this information. That's the hotel hinting, saying get out. ओके जज़ाकल्लाह. अल्लाह ताला मेरे और आपका जमा होना कबूल करे, हमको बरकत से नवाजे. अल्लाह ताला मुझे और आपको हिदायत दे, हराम से बचने की तौफीक भी दे और उसके बारे में कुछ करने की तौफीक भी दे. जज़ाकल्लाह खैर. सुभानअल्लाह बिहम्दिही, सुभानकल्लाहुम्मा बिहम्दिका, अशहदु अल्ला इलाहा इल्ला अंता, अस्तगफिरुका व अतूबु इलैक. अस्सलामु अलैकुम.